Okay, so we smoothed out the fabric. I had my assistant help. And you want it to be even. So the selvage is the white part, just line it up so that it should be perfectly lined. Okay. Now, what I did was I made sure that there's no bumps. Smooth it out. Still there's a bump. Smooth it out. Okay, because now you're gonna start pinning and we don't want it to be messed up. Okay, I measured this because I'm making pants. And it's 42, which is good because I measured 41, but I'm gonna make it work because I don't wear it all the way up to my waist. Okay, so I took the medium. There it is. And I'm going to pin it with my pins. I actually like to do it this way, where the flat edge is here. There we go. Doesn't matter because the waist is going to be folded over anyway, so I'm not going to even cut that white part off. So pin like you're stabbing onto the table, and then bring it all the way up. And then keep pinning. I'll just take it to the end. It's okay that it's longer because I just made it super long. I just measured it so it'll be long enough. I don't know very many people that wear their pajama pants at their waist. Again, I don't know why it's bumped. Here. We'll just measure it. We'll just do it here first. Pin it. Smooth it out. Yeah, that's probably better. Smooth it out. Pinning usually, it's not too hard. Everybody gets the pinning. It's the cutting that for some reason the students have difficulty with sometimes. Okay, so what I did, and why did I lay it this way? Because when I measured it, I put a line here, and you can see that if I flip this, or if I had two of them, there would be enough on this side to get another leg, because we have two legs. So this is one leg, and then I'm gonna flip the other one and have the second leg. I hope that makes sense. So then to cut it, kind of an awkward angle, I'm just gonna take my material, and I do like to kind of hold it or press it so that there's a little bit of a tension on it. And you don't have to give it any extra because I already added an inch when I made the patterns. What I found, because I'm doing this with middle schoolers, is if you guys can't cut, and you're working in partners, usually one of the two of you guys can cut with your shears. It's not really a huge issue if you actually cut your own, but it is nice for you to try. I don't know if it's a dexterity thing or what, but just work together to get it done. Okay, so that is a part. That's one leg, but because this one is not gonna be connected, let me show you guys. See how it's folded? If I had a fold for the other side, then I would be okay with my pants not having a seam. But I don't, I wanna open this up because I want it to look the same on both sides. So this part, if it's too difficult, I can help, but all we're doing is separating it so we have an actual seam on the sides, on both sides of our legs. So this is one leg. Almost there. Voila. All right, done. So then, let me just show you this real quick and then we'll move on. It's okay if it's not perfect because that's what's nice about these pants. We made our own pattern. It's kind of an easy way. We don't want the pajama pants to be tight anyway. So it'll be good. It'll all work out. Okay. All right, so now that's our one leg. So we're just gonna fold that and put it to the side. and then we're gonna do the same thing with this, and you're just gonna have to flip the pattern. And you could do it this way, or you can do it this way. Makes kind of more sense, yeah. Okay, so then we have the same thing on this side. We're just gonna pin it down and cut. Doesn't matter what direction it's in, because just make sure that this is all the way on the fabric. That's the inseam area. Okay, because it fits, that's perfect. If you don't feel comfortable, you want to move it over a little, that's fine too, because we have room. All right, then you're just gonna pin it down and cut it. All right, I'll see you in a minute.